Hello everyone in our TOPS community. I want to come to you today with my TOPS Fall 2021 awards. Alright, the first awards I'm going to present is Algebra 1 Part 1. And the first award is Academic Excellence. I had two students, Sierra Quincy and Deidre Times, who had an average tied to the 10th of a point. And these students had the highest average in Algebra 1 Part 1 this semester. So congratulations. I created a new award this year called Outstanding Attitude. I wanted to create this award because I've had so many students that have been very positive and energetic and just excited to learn. And with us creating new math classes, and that's just a wonderful thing to have. So in Algebra 1 Part 1, the Outstanding Attitude goes to Dane Howard. He had a very high average, but he also showed great enthusiasm in everything he did in this class and was just a pleasure to work with. So Algebra 1 Part 1, Academic Excellence, Sierra Quincy and Deidre Times, and Outstanding Attitude, Dane Howard. My next class, Integrated Math 2 Part 1, my Academic Excellence goes to Ainsley Davenport. Ainsley's been an excellent student with us here at TOPS, and she scored a 100 average in Integrated Math 2 Part 1 this semester. So she always works hard and excels, so congratulations, Ainsley. My Outstanding Attitude goes to Eva Atkinson. She also had a very high average, but again, very positive, enthusiastic student who just seems to enjoy learning and is just such a pleasure to work with. So once again, Academic Excellence, Ainsley Davenport, Outstanding Attitude, Eva Atkinson. Congratulations, ladies. My next class, Algebra 2 Part 1, my Academic Excellence goes to Brianna Erickson. And she had the highest average in the class. And my Outstanding Attitude went to Tristan Rizote and Elena Brown. And I want to say congratulations to all three of these students. I had a lot of wonderful students in Algebra 2 Part 1 this year. And again, this is a class that's being created, brand new. And all of my students have worked extremely hard this year. And Brianna with the highest average. And then these are just two students with great attitudes, but I want to say, great job to you guys for kind of standing out. I want to say I hope everyone has a restful and wonderful holiday break, and I will see most of you guys in the spring. Happy holidays.